If you're seeing errors or your domain isn't working after 72 hours, a typo or missing record is most likely the reason. In the Home menu, click Settings, and then click Domains. If Squarespace detects a domain isn't connected correctly, it will display a red flag. Click the incorrectly connected domain you want to check. Click DNS Settings. The DNS Settings panel marks any incorrect records in red. You will have to log into your domain account and find where you manage your DNS settings. Depending on your provider, this may be called Zone File Settings, DNS Manager, or something similar. Cross-check information in your domain provider to make sure everything is correct. After updating all incorrect settings, click Refresh in your Squarespace DNS settings. Records can take between 24 and 72 hours to update. If your DNS settings display correct for all values in the current data column, your domain will show a yellow flag and read Connection in Progress. After the changes have fully taken effect and your domain is connected correctly, it will show a green flag and read Connected. Our Squarespace team can only provide so much support for third-party domain provider platforms. If you are seeing that all of the records are correct, but you are still having trouble after 72 hours, you'll need to reach out to your domain provider's team for further assistance. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.